was a superhero. His name was Spider-Man. It looks funny. Now, I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man, take me. Spider-Man, take me. Spider-Man, dance me. Spider-Man, take me. Spider-Man, take me. Yeah. You wanna mess with me, pork chops? Oh, cause I'm Spider-Man. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, man. Batman is a fool, cause he can't dance like me. No, no, no. His arms don't look funny, so he can't dance like me. Dancing like Spider-Man, dancing like Spider-Man, dancing, 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 dancing like Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man, and I know it. What? I'm Spider-Man. I dance amazingly. I'm so awesome, right? Right? Rate your comments right now. Like, right now. Right after this video, if you have a account. But if you don't, it's fine. But he's a spider. He's a Spider-Man. Do it. Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. I'm Spider-Man, so I'm Spider-Man. You really need to teach you how to do it. I'm Spider-Man, I just can't say I'm awesome. I'm awesome. I'm really beast, yeah, yeah. No superheroes better than me. Why did they pick me in Avengers? Yeah. 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 Oh. What's the actual name? I'm not kidding. See? I'm saying Spider-Man, the awesome rapper. Yeah. What you gonna do, Batman? What you gonna do, Batman? Batman? What you gonna do, Batman? Batman? What you gonna do? We'll be right back. We'll be right back with this. Never mind, we don't have a break. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Spider-Man dance. Teach me how to Spider-Man dance. Teach me how to Spider-Man dance. Spider-Man.